Okay, you guys, I just got done with Mrs. Bartz, who is our middle school music teacher who uses this program quite a lot. And this is what she told me to do. So you're in your lesson, and it says you're in Unit 1, Lesson 6, and it's called Follow the Rhythm. So you're going to go into your music studio. Now, the biggest thing that she is saying is happening is, um, so this is the landing page that you would get to when you launch, okay? So what you need to do when you get to this, once you've launched the music studio, you need to go into the menu and click on Spotlight on Music. And then from there, click on Grade 3. And I guess that will open up kind of an overview of everything. For some reason right now, when they were fixing things, they have loaded Texas in right now, and I don't really know why or how that happened. So again, the title we're looking for is Follow the Rhythm. So Mrs. Bartz said to scroll all the way down until you get past all of the um, Texas stuff. And then when you get to the section 1, Spotlight on Music, Unit 1 is called Music for the Fun of It. So click on that. And then you're going to notice that for some reason it's being labeled lesson 1, even though we know it's not lesson 1. But I'm following the fact that the title is called Follow the Rhythm. So that's kind of the shortcut you're going to have to take to find the lesson for today. So again, from the music studio, click on Menu, Spotlight on Music, Grade 3, scroll down past all that Texas and Mexico stuff that for some reason is loaded in for us. Click on Unit 1, Music for the Fun of It, and then I don't know why it got rearranged, but Lesson 1 is Follow the Rhythm. So hopefully that is a workaround right now until they can fix it. All right, let me know if you have any questions.